Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word enwe. Okwu Igbo nke taa bụ enwe. Enwe. Enwe in English language means monkey. Monkey. Enwe. Enwe. Monkey. Ngwa ka anyị jiri enwe mee ahịrịokwu. Enwe bụ anụ na-ebi n'ụlọ na-ebikwa n'ọhịa. Enwe bụ anụ na-ebi n'ụlọ na-ebikwa n'ọhịa, which means monkey is an animal that lives both in the house and in the bush. Monkey is an animal that lives both in the house and in the bush. Now it's your turn to make an example with the word enwe in the comment section. I know you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to practice, and practice. And also like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you again tomorrow. Kemesia.